Indian police have arrested all-party Hurriyat Conference leader Bilal Siddiqui in Srinagar. According to Kashmir Media Service, the police arrested Bilal Siddiqui after raiding his house in Rajbagh area of the city. APHC spokesman in a statement strongly denounced the arrest of Bilal Siddiqui. He termed the move as illegal and inhumane act of Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government. Indian troops in their unabated acts of state terrorism martyred 10 Kashmiris, including 2 young boys and a woman, during the outgoing month of January. According to the data released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today, 4 youth were martyred in 2 fake encounters. The killings by the troops rendered 3 women widowed and 4 children orphaned. 15 youth were critically injured during the use of brute force. Indian forces personnel during house raids arrested 137 civilians during the month. An illegally detained youth has died in custody of the Indian police in Shopian district. The youth, identified as Faizan Yasin Dar of Baramulla district, was recently arrested by the police in Shopian. 2 persons were killed after a massive avalanche hit ski resort of Gulmarg in North Kashmir's Baramulla district today. 4 other persons were rescued. Scores of people staged a protest in Magam area of central Kashmir's Budgam district today against the ongoing eviction drive across the territory. The protesters, including women and youth, were holding various placards reading, "Stand up for your rights. We want justice. It's time to wake up." They raised slogans demanding an immediate rollback of the order calling for a removal of people from their land. All-party Hurriyat Conference has said that India's continued atrocities on the Kashmiris have put the peace in the South Asia in particular and the world in general at stake. APHC spokesman in a statement issued in Srinagar said that there can be no peace in the region without a just settlement of the lingering Kashmir dispute. He said Modi regime will never succeed to suppress the Kashmiri struggle to secure their right to self-determination.